Brazil is a country with a rich culture, diverse population, and vast natural resources, but it also faces a number of pressing challenges. Some of the key social, economic, and environmental issues facing Brazil today include income inequality, political corruption, urban violence, deforestation, and climate change. In this article, we will examine these challenges in more detail and discuss potential solutions for addressing them. One of the most significant challenges facing Brazil is income inequality. Despite recent progress in reducing poverty and inequality, Brazil remains one of the most unequal countries in the world, with a Gini coefficient of 0.53. This inequality is driven by a number of factors, including unequal access to education, healthcare, and job opportunities, as well as historical legacies such as slavery and colonialism. To address this issue, Brazil will need to continue investing in education and job training programs, expanding access to healthcare, and implementing policies that promote more equitable economic growth. Another major challenge facing Brazil is political corruption. Corruption is pervasive in Brazilian politics and has been implicated in a number of recent scandals, including the Operation Car Wash investigation. This corruption undermines public trust in the government and can impede economic growth by discouraging investment and reducing transparency. To combat corruption, Brazil needs to strengthen its legal and regulatory framework, increase transparency in government operations, and hold corrupt officials accountable for their actions. Urban violence is another pressing issue in Brazil, particularly in its major cities. High rates of crime and violence can be attributed to a range of factors, including poverty, drug trafficking, and ineffective law enforcement. To address this issue, Brazil needs to invest in community policing programs, provide social services and job training for at-risk youth, and work to dismantle criminal organizations. Environmental challenges also pose a significant threat to Brazil's future. Deforestation in the Amazon rainforest is a major issue, with large swathes of forest being cleared for agriculture and mining. This deforestation has serious environmental consequences, including loss of biodiversity and contributing to climate change. Brazil needs to strengthen environmental regulations, invest in sustainable agriculture and forestry practices, and work to protect the Amazon rainforest for future generations. In conclusion, Brazil faces a number of pressing challenges in the social, economic, and environmental realms. Addressing these challenges will require a sustained effort from government, civil society, and the private sector. However, by working together and implementing effective policies and programs, Brazil has the potential to overcome these challenges and continue on a path towards a more just, equitable, and sustainable future.